So now that we've gotten the overall market out of the way, it's time to start diving into the different price segments and see how it matches up close to what is going on in the overall market. Hi, this is John James with the James team at RE/MAX Partners with another Steamboat market update. And we're going to touch on the $250,000 to $750,000 market. And so it's covering pretty much all of Route County, a little bit of Moffett, a little bit of Grand, a little bit of Jackson, but covering the Steamboat Springs Board of Realtors market. So starting off with the median sold price. For this segment of the market, the median sold price is $430,000. It's up just a bit, 1.4% over the $424,000 from June of last year. And then with the other two, we try to lump median sold price, number of sales, and sales volume to see where the overall picture is. Number of sales is down. It's 460 compared to 535 in June of 2019. That's down about 12.3%. And the sales volume also down. It was like 242 million last year. This year it's about 215 million, 15,761. That's a drop of 11.3%. So as we've been seeing with the overall market, same thing here is at the median sold price. Things are still, the price is still gradually going up and up. Just the volume is not where it used to be. And so we can have we can look on that as reflective of COVID, and we can get into some more stats on that. I do know that people are, realtors are busy right now, so things are happening. Days on market. So we touch on the inventory stats. Days on market is up 5.6% from 72 to 76, and we've been seeing that trend. The days on market, it has been taking a longer time to sell in just about every segment. Month supply, it is now down to 3.2 months. Again, remember, anything below 6 months is a seller's market. 3.2 months is down 22% from 4.1 months last year in June. So that's, there's just not a whole lot of inventory out there. And it's reflective also in the number of active listings. We had 181 in June of 2019. This year it's 138. That is down 23.8%. And then finally getting into kind of where the prices are and what you're getting for your money. The sales to list price ratio, that's down about 0.2% from 97.9 in June last year to 97.7. Not really a big change in this one, but still, that's it's always interesting to see how close it is getting to list price. As far as price reductions are down as well. Were 51 last year to 42 this year. So with that, you can kind of reflect and say, well, are you getting the sale to the original list price or sale to a reduced list price? You're getting closer to that original list price. All right, COVID stats. And we're just going to start putting this in a regular stat from now on. Pending listings. Pending listings for this section of the market, 250 to 750, is down 11.6%. It was 604 last year, 534. This is more of a projection of what's to come for the upcoming month, so maybe not nearly as much for July as when it comes to closed listings. Back on market, this is up by 1, 16 last year, 17 this year. So, we're trying to see, is COVID really having an effect on that? Not looking, I don't think those really fit into COVID stats anymore. So we might change what we're doing with those. But the number of sales over a period of time and the dollar volume over a period of time. This is where we see a change. The number of sales was down 9.8% from March to May of this year. Compare that to being down, March to June, I should say. It was down 1.6% March to June in 2019. So there is a differential of 8.2%. So it's dropped about 8.2% over that period of time compared to the same time last year. That's not great, but it's also not as bad as we've seen last month. And then the sales volume, that was down 9.5% from March to June, compared to being down 0.2% from March to June last year. And so there's a differential of 9.3%. Again, not great, but the trend is that the down part of that is starting to slow a little bit more once you see it over the COVID period. So that's where we are with the $250,000 to $750,000 market. We will move into the chunky middle, which is the $750,000 to $2 million market, and then move from there to the luxury market, anything over $2 million. I hope this helped you. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. If you want more information, give me a call, 970-846-0797, or email me at johnjames@jamesteamsteamboat.com. And you can catch all of these, if you want to recap on these, you can catch them all on our website at jamesteamsteamboat.com. Take care, have a great one. See ya.